So today we'll be making another delicious sandwich. For that we'll be needing egg, carrots, pepper, spring onions, and green pepper. So I'm just going to break my egg and I'm going to add salt and spicy pepper to the egg. Then I am going to mix and keep it aside while I attend to other needs. But you can actually put all this in your egg at this time. Like, you can put everything at once and mix if you want to, but I don't want to put everything at once yet because I still have some things to do. Like, I'm going to be putting butter on bread so I can toast the bread with my pan. I'm going to be toasting one part of the bread, that's the side I'm putting butter on, that's the part I'm going to be toasting. So I don't want my other ingredients soaking in the egg while I'm doing all this. So that was why I decided not to put everything at once. But you can do it anyhow you want it. You can do this first before moving to that one, or you can do that one first before moving to this one. Any of the above. Please don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also, turn on the notification bell after subscribing so that you will be notified anytime we post a new video. And let us know your name and the country or state you're watching from, so you can make a we can make a shout out to you. So yeah, like I said, I'm going to be toasting one part of the bread, so that's what I'm doing now. You'll be toasting the whole bread, one part, just the part you added butter to. That's the part you are going to toast with your pan. After that, you clean your pan and you add butter to the pan. I either use butter or oil, any of the above. So yeah, remember I said I wasn't going to put all my ingredients then. So yeah, now I'll be putting all my ingredients as I'm waiting for the pan on fire. So I added my spring onions. Yeah, that's my spring onions. Then I added my green pepper, and then I added my rodo, red pepper rodo. Then I added my carrots and I mixed. So after adding all your ingredients, you mix very well. And I also added some other spices like black pepper, salt, red spicy pepper. You saw the red spicy pepper I used the other time. Yeah, I added it to it. So you just mix and mix very well. Don't forget to mix well, and if your oil is on fire, don't forget to keep checking the oil. So yeah, this is black pepper I'm adding to it, and I'm going to mix very well. This is my spice Maggi. Yeah. So another reason why I was doing everything at once was because I was actually working with low battery. So I didn't want my phone to go off halfway. That was why I was doing everything at once. So now that everything is ready, I am going to fry the egg, and I want to make the sandwich for two batch. So yeah, I'm going to fry the egg twice. So this is the first frying. Yeah, I wanted to achieve one particular shape, but I couldn't, so the egg just came out scattered. So yeah, but the second one came out well though, but this one actually came out scattered. So yeah, there was this particular way I wanted the egg to be, but it came out like this though. So anyways, you allow the egg fry well. When the back is done frying, you just flip over and allow the other part fry. You don't have to wait till it's burnt, so it just has to be fried a bit. Then when it's fried, you just remove it. So like I said, I'll be frying two. So because I have four breads, so I'm making two sandwich. So when this was done, I just removed and I added the next. So guys, you can check out our channel for interesting content. We have a whole lot of interesting content. We have DIY, vox pop, so many cookings, food recipes, breakfast recipes, and all of that. You can check out our channel and feel free to make requests of what you actually want to see on our channel. If it is something we can do, trust me, we won't hesitate. But if it is something we can't do, we would also let you know. Feel free to comment in the comment section. We attend to all comments. Thank you for stopping by to actually open our channel. Please enjoy this video with me and stay till the end, so that at the end of the video you too would learn one or two and will also tell us how you make yours. So yeah, this was what I wanted to achieve before, but it didn't really come out the way it was supposed to. So yeah, this was what I wanted. I wanted it like this. Though it didn't come out 100% too, but yeah, it was something like this I was actually looking for. Let us know in the comment section which of our sandwich recipe you like. We would love to know in the comment section. Or what way do you want us to make sandwich that you would like to see in our channel? Please let us know in the comment section, so we would do that. So when the eggs are ready, or when the egg is ready, you just add bama to your bread. That's the other side of your bread. So I'm going to be using lettuce. Yeah, it's actually not a must. You can use lettuce if you want. If you want, you can just eat it like that without lettuce. But trust me, with lettuce, it is, oh my goodness, I don't even know what to say. It is sweeter with lettuce. Like odebe, like I don't know how to put it in English. It is there with lettuce. So after your lettuce, you just add your egg. Then you spread bama. Why do I keep saying bama? You spread mayonnaise to the other bread you'll be using to cover it. So remember, we toasted the up, so it is the back, that's the down part, the inside, that's where you'll be spreading your bama, and then you cover. And guys, guess what? This is beautiful, this is delicious, and this is ready to eat. So yeah, the other one I won't be doing with what's it called, lettuce. I'm just going to be doing it like that. So check this out. Isn't this beautiful? Though it's not clear enough, but trust me, this was really, 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 really beautiful, like, and yummy. Like, it was sweet, the obama and everything. Like, everything was just reaching there. Everything was omo, I don't even know how to put this in English, so let me just leave it like that. So you do the same thing for the other bread, or the other breads. The only difference with this one was I didn't add lettuce to it. I just did the bread like that. And like I said, I was working with low battery, so at this stage my phone actually went off. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Have an amazing day. Bye.